Welcome back to another action-packed episode of Joe Vegan. Today, we're going to be making some buffalo cauliflower and some vegan ranch. Alright, I've already got the oven preheated to 450 degrees. First things first, we're going to go ahead and cut this cauliflower up. Okay, and now that we've done that, we're gonna go ahead and rinse them off real quick. Splish splash, I was taking a bath. All right, now that we got our cauliflower rinsed and broken into smaller pieces, we're gonna make the batter. So first we're gonna add our salt and pepper, then our flour. We're gonna do garlic, cumin, and paprika. And on top of that, we'll go ahead and pour in our almond milk. You can also use soy milk. Whatever you got will work. There we go. Doesn't that look healthy? Let's stir this and mix it up. Check that out. Okay. Now we're going to dip these and put them on a pan. Okay. I've got my parchment paper lined baking sheet here. We're going to go ahead and coat these evenly and then spread them onto that. Perfect. We're going to put these in here for 20 minutes and then we'll come back in a minute to flip them. Peace out. While that's going, we're going to go ahead and make our ranch. First things first, we've got our mayo. We're going to dump that in. Nice and slimy. We've got our garlic powder, our onion powder, our paprika, salt and pepper, parsley, and we'll add the liquids here real quick. We'll do a half a tablespoon here of unsweetened almond milk, but again, you can use soy milk if that's what you got. Whichever's fine. We'll go ahead and do apple cider vinegar here. 2 tablespoons of that. There we go. There we go. We'll put 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in here. Oh, a little bit of an accident. Let's mix this up and see what happens. Gotta be careful. Let's go ahead and try some. That'll work just fine. Yes, it will. Did you know that adopting a vegan diet can significantly reduce your risk of developing cancer? All evidence points to a low-fat, high-fiber diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and beans as being the best diet for cancer prevention. Okay, now that we've hit our 20-minute mark, we're going to go ahead and put these things down, flip them, and reverse them. Don't be afraid to get those shoulders in there to make Missy Elliott proud. Okay. Now I'll pour some of this wing sauce on here. We'll baste that in here in every crevice. And we'll put these back in the oven for another 20 minutes. The timer just went off, so let's see what we're working with here. My God. It wouldn't be right to end this episode without a little taste test. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Here we go. Christ almighty, that's some good shit.